Two of the most talked about CRMs in 2025 go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Freshsales. Feature-rich, packed with built-in AI and simple pricing. And on the right, Pipedrive. Laser-focused on sales, with powerful reporting and integrations. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what actually matters for your business. Each category is scored, and by the end, you'll know point for point who comes out on top. The winner may surprise you. Okay, here's our mind map for today. So we're breaking down Freshsales and Pipedrive across these categories: price, ease of use, reporting and insights, integrations, AI and automation, customization, communication and engagement, and finally, onboarding and support. Ready? Let's hit our first category. All right, first up, let's talk about price. Freshsales comes in swinging, with plans starting at just $9 per user a month. Not bad, right? Oh, and there's a free plan too, which is way more generous than you'd expect. Plus, it's all up front, no sneaky hidden costs. But heads up, some of their fancier features are locked behind higher paid tiers. Now, Pipedrive, it starts a little higher, around $14 per user monthly, so already pricier. There's no free plan, but they do let you pick and mix add-ons. Sounds flexible, but honestly, those can really stack up fast if you're not careful. So for value, yeah, Freshsales does take the win here. Moving on to ease of use, Freshsales is refreshingly beginner-friendly. Like, you could hand this over to someone who's never touched a CRM before, and they'd be cruising through it in no time. Basically, they nailed that simple look and feel, and the learning curve is seriously minimal. Now, Pipedrive's got that drag-and-drop pipeline magic, which I really love. It's designed for salespeople, super straightforward once you get the hang of it. But newbies? You might scratch your head for the first few hours. Freshsales edges ahead for pure accessibility, but Pipedrive deserves major props for that sales-centric vibe. Let's dig into reporting and insights. Freshsales brings the standard reporting tools plus some AI-driven insights, which is honestly pretty cool. But when it comes to, advanced, customizable reports, Pipedrive really flexes here. You get detailed dashboards for each sales rep, and it's so easy to monitor your team's performance. So, if you want to nerd out on analytics and dig deep into numbers, Pipedrive walks away with this one. Quick pause. Did you know both Freshsales and Pipedrive offer slick mobile apps, so you can manage leads wherever you are? Your team's selling power doesn't take a break, even if you do. All right, let's get back to the showdown. Next up, integrations. Freshsales boasts over 750 integrations via Zapier. That's a crazy long list, but not every connection is as smooth as you'd hope, and a bunch are one-way only. Meanwhile, Pipedrive offers 500+ integrations. That's less on paper, but most are super reliable and work natively with apps small businesses actually use daily. So, fewer in number, but honestly, quality beats quantity here. Yeah, Pipedrive wins for integrations, hands down. Now, let's talk AI and automation. Freshsales brings in its Freddy AI for scoring leads, forecasting, personalized emails, the works. There's also a super broad range of automations you can set up, beyond just sales. Oh, you'll need a pricier plan to unlock all the AI goodies, but still, it's impressive. Pipedrive packs in an AI assistant, and you do get automation across all plans, mainly for sales deals and processes, but it's not as advanced as Freshsales. So Freshsales comes out on top for AI features. Switching gears, customization. Freshsales gives you a bunch of ways to customize modules, fields, and the overall look. Nice. But yeah, some options are locked away unless you upgrade. Now, Pipedrive clearly loves flexibility. Unlimited custom fields, all plans. Edit your pipelines as much as you want. The visual flow is super customizable, no matter which plan you pick. Some special features do need higher tiers, but honestly, the power for tailoring sales workflow is there from the start, making Pipedrive our winner. On to communication and engagement. Freshsales comes with built-in phone, chat, and email. Right there, on every plan. So unified communication, no hassle. Pipedrive, on the other hand, gives you built-in email, but if you want chat or advanced phone functions, get ready to pile on add-ons, and those aren't cheap. For all-in-one communications, Freshsales absolutely wins this round. Last category, onboarding and support. Freshsales, they seriously roll out the welcome mat. 24/5 support across phone, chat, and email, plus $500 worth of free onboarding, and a dedicated team to help you settle in. Pipedrive sticks to email and chat for most customers. If you want phone support, you gotta splurge on the top-tier plan. And their onboarding, it's okay, but not exactly speedy or super hands-on unless you pay extra. Freshsales takes this easily. Looking at the full radar chart, the strengths are lining up. Freshsales takes the lead in price, usability, AI, communication, and support, while Pipedrive fires ahead in reporting, integrations, and customization. We've got a super close race, but there's a definite tilt when you map it all out.
So, which is best? If you want that all-in-one feel, transparent pricing, built-in comms, plus AI magic, Freshsales is honestly the pick. Can't beat that value. But if your team lives and breathes sales and wants crazy customization and advanced reporting, Pipedrive is the real deal. Each one has its quirks, but for most users, Freshsales comes out ahead.
Was this CRM face-off helpful? If it saved you time or stress, hit us with a rating so we know. And hey, if you love tech reviews, make sure to tune in for more battles like this, coming soon.